अब ऐसे ही क्योंकि जयदीप की तरह ही अगर तिलोत्तमा में आपकी बात करूं तो आपका भी एक सर्टेन लुक है, किसी किरदार को निभाने के लिए एक सर्टेन टोन आपका जो है वो नज़र आता है। ऐसे में तिलोत्तमा क्या आज अपने आप को किसी दायरे में बंधा हुआ पाती है, या फिर आप देख रहे हैं कि जो आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रहे हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, वो आपको और एक्सप्लोर करने का, अपने आप को और दिखाने का आपको मौका दे रहे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, वक्त से वही एक चीज़ बदला है, बाकी तो काफ़ी सेम ही है प्रोसेस। वेट करो कुछ अच्छा मिले, which is an actor's journey. But yes, I'm getting a variety of women to play, which I'm very happy about. I don't feel boxed into a stereotype. Yeah.
लेकिन आपके किरदारों में क्योंकि फेमिनिज्म हम देखते हैं, एक बोल्ड किरदार आप निभाती हुई आप नज़र आती हैं, तो लग नहीं रहा है कि अब कुछ चेंज करना है, या फिर यू आर एंजॉइंग दीज कैरेक्टर्स, प्लेइंग दीज कैरेक्टर्स, यू आर एंजॉइंग अपना दिस टाइम?
No, of course I enjoy, but I'm also very particular because how many films and projects will I do in my lifetime? Just a few, right? Like how many can one do? And in those, if I can portray women that are real, that are well-rounded, that are complex, that are professional, that are flawed, then I would have done something to take forward the many women who have come before me. And for me, it's very important that like even for Meghna Barua, she says something in the show that to Isaac, her junior, and she tells him that I know it's not easy to take orders from a woman, but get used to it. You know, so now something like this, it's a very small line, but and it's done in a very subtle way. A woman who works in a man's world and has to prove herself. You would know it, right? And so many of us in this room know it, right? So when you get to play a woman like that, you are expanding society's understanding of women at work. And I love the fact that she is a busy mother. You know, I mean, she's a busy professional. And her relationship with her child, she may not be the perfect mother, you know, but she is doing her best. And yes, she does choose to follow the lead instead of going home, you know, and I think that's what people in public service do often without us appreciating them or us noticing them, that they don't get to always go back home and be a good mother or a father because they have to go and do their job of protecting the rest of us. You know?
ये जो थॉट्स हैं या आपकी जो विचारधारा है, ये आपके खुद के अनुभव से है, या फिर आप जिस तरह से जो स्थिति हम वर्तमान समय में देख रहे हैं, आप उसको देखते हुए आप फेमिनिज्म की बातें, महिलावादी किरदार निभाती आप नजर आती हैं?
You know, I don't think it's just about feminism, but it's just about having a slightly more nuanced look at both genders. Because I mean, Hathiram is not this alpha male.
Yes.
He is a man with a lot of sensitivity, a lot of vulnerability. So I don't think feminism is about just bold women who are smoking and drinking and are using cuss words. You know, that's not feminism. I think the characterization, the portrayal of real men and women with complexities, you know, is what is attractive. And I also feel, and we know that we live in a very, very patriarchal society. So I don't want to play women that underline that patriarchy. I'd like to play women who are far from perfect, but at least challenge or question that patriarchy. Itna if I can do, and that is my only criteria in choosing something, that let me not continue this inequality.
And people are accepting you, appreciating you.
Because they're struggling with it themselves.
Yeah.
I think I'm only getting the love because women are struggling with it. They are professionals now. Their mothers and fathers worked very hard so that they can be educated and can work. So when they have to face that patriarchy, it's very difficult for them. It's real. I think it's because they're seeing themselves. in these characters, in these women. You know, whether it is the difficulties of a professional woman in a patriarchal world in Patal Lok, or a woman's desire, an older woman's desire in lust stories. We are not shown these things, right? Because it's a man's world.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं